Good morning students. Today we have to see the next lesson of 8th standard, that is the cubes and cube root. Okay. In previous lesson we have seen about the squares and square root. Now similar or related to that, what is the cubes and its cube roots we have to see now. Okay. Now see what is the definition of cubes. Square की definition. Square means any number which is multiplied by itself. Suppose x into x, which is x square. Okay, square definition, multiply any number with itself or two times. We can say that it is the square of its number. Okay, now cube means what? What is the cube of any number which is multiplied by 3 times? Suppose x into x into x. X is any number and we have to find its cube. So we have to multiply it by itself by 3 times. So it becomes cube of that number. So it becomes x cube. Okay. So it is the simple definition we have to compare with the square. Square means any number multiplied by itself means 2 times. It is the square of that number. And cube means any number we have to multiply itself by 3 times, which is nothing but its cube. Understood? Example we can give. Suppose examples. I want to calculate the cube of 2. Okay? 2 cube or 2 raised to 3 means we have to multiply any number by 3 times. Okay? What is the cube? 2 into 2, 4. 4 2s are 8. Okay? So 2 cube, which is equal to 8, means the cube of 2, which is nothing but 8. Means simple definition, any number we have to multiply by 3 times, which is nothing but its cube. Understood? Suppose example 5. I want to calculate the cube of 5, means multiply itself by 3 times. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Okay, so these are the 2 examples and these are the definition of cubes. Okay, understood? So, which is very simple and very short lesson, the cubes and cube root. Understood? Now we have to see some properties and some relations between its properties and how we have to find the cube roots we have to see now. Okay? Now see, first to 10, you must be learn first to 10 cubes of number. Suppose 1 cube, which is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cubes is 27, 4 cubes 64, 5 cube 125, 6 cube 260. Like that you have to remember or learn minimum up to the 10. Cube is 1000. Okay? It is the table of cubes from first to 10. 1 to 10 you have to learn the cubes. Very simple. 1 cube is 1, 2 is 8, 3 cubes is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 is 260, 7, 8 and 9 you have to find, and 10 cube is 1000. Understood? So it is very useful table from first to 10. Okay, cubes of numbers. Now we have to see how we have to find the cube root of any number. Now we have to find cube roots of a number. Suppose 125 number is given to you and they ask find the cube root of this. Cube root, how we have to mention cube root? Cube root means it is the square root symbol, and if I written here 3, it becomes cube root. Here it is the square root we have to write like that. If I written here 3, it becomes cube root sign, and in that 125. means we have to find the value of this, means we have to find the cube root. Suppose I want to find cube root of 8, means find the cube root of 8. So it is the symbol of cube root. It is the symbol of cube root. Now, what is the relationship between cubes and cube root? Suppose cube and cube root. These are reversible. Okay, any number we have to multiply x cube. Suppose any number is x, its cube is x cube, and we have to find the cube root of x cube is cube root of x cube, which is x, means both are reversible. Both are reversible. Cube x cube means cube of x is x cube and cube root of x cube is x. Both are reversible. Both processes are reversible. Like squares and square. Okay. Example. Suppose I want to find cube of 2. 2 cube is 8. 2 cube is, suppose 8. 2 cube is 8. Now I want to find the cube root of 8. What is the cube root of 8? Which is 2. Cube root of 8 is 2. So the cubes and cube root process are reversible. Understood? Now we have to see how we have to find the cube root of any number. Cube root of any number. Suppose first I want to take 8. Cube root of 8. 8 का cube root find करना है. Now by prime factorization. By prime factorization. By prime factorization. Okay. Prime factorization we know in square and square root. 8. How we have to write? 2 into 4 is 8. इस 2 का क्या हो गया? 2 into 2 2s are 4. Okay. So these are the prime factors of 8. Now in the finding the cube root, we have to make a group of 3 numbers, not a 2. In square root we have formed the group of 2 numbers, but in cube root we have to form a group of 3 prime factors. So here 3 numbers. Okay. So one group is formed. So one number we have to take. So answer is 2. From this group we have to take only 1. So cube root of 8 is 2 by prime factorization. Okay. By prime factorization. तो 8 का क्यूब निकाला 2. So 8 is a perfect cube. So 8 is a perfect cube. 8 is a perfect cube. जिसका क्यूब निकालते हैं, जिसका क्यूब निकलता है, जिसके प्राइम फैक्टर के 3 के ग्रुप बनते हैं, ऐसे नंबर को परफेक्ट क्यूब बोलते हैं. Okay. Perfect cube those numbers whose prime factors form a 3 group. Okay. Perfect cube, those cube root we are easily find. Those cube roots we can easily find. Such numbers are known as perfect cube. और जिनके प्राइम फैक्टर में 3 के ग्रुप बनते हैं, ऐसे नंबर परफेक्ट क्यूब होते हैं. Understood? Perfect cube. Now next we have to see how we have to find cube root of 125. 125 का क्यूब रूट फाइंड करेंगे प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन से. तो 125 यूनिट प्लेस इज 5, so we have to divide it by 5. So 5 into 5 2s are 10 and here 2 5 5s are 25. Okay. Now इस 5 का काम हो गया 5 as it is. ये 5 into 5. Okay. So 3 का ग्रुप बन गया. आंसर इज 5. So क्यूब रूट ऑफ 125 इज 5. ओके. 3 का ग्रुप बन गया. एक ही लेने का ग्रुप में से एक. सो 125 इज ए परफेक्ट क्यूब. 125 इज ए perfect cube. Understood? These simple examples we have to take for your understanding. Okay, cube root of 8 and cube root of 125, and from that we have comment whether this given number is perfect cube or not. Whether this number is perfect cube or not. Understood? Now some next example we have to see. Some big example now we have to take. Is 243 a perfect cube? Question mark. Okay, we have to check. Question is 243 is a perfect cube or not? Okay, so we have to find the cube roots. We have to find the cube root of these numbers and we have to check the prime factors, and on that basis we have to say whether it is perfect cube or not. So we have to start with prime factors. So 243. Unit place is 3. So it is not even number. So we are not start with the 2. So we have to start with 3 now. 3 into 3 8s are 24. And 3 1s are 1. So 81. Now is 3 का काम हो गया. 3 as it is. Now here 3 into 3 2s are 6. 2 रहेगी. 2 7s are 21. Okay. इन दोनों का काम हो गया as it is. 3 into 3. Now next 3 into 3 9s are 27. यहाँ पर 9. 3 ये 3 ये 3 ये तीनों एज इट इज. ओके, नाउ 9 कैसे लिखेंगे हम? 3 into 3. ओके, सो दीज आर द प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ दिस 243. ओके, दीज आर द प्राइम फैक्टर. नाउ वी हैव टू फॉर्म अ ग्रुप ऑफ 3. 1 यहां पर एक कम है, एक ही ग्रुप बन गया. यहां पर ग्रुप बन रहा है क्या? नहीं. सो 3 is less for grouping in prime factors. 3 is less for grouping in prime factor. इस prime factor में एक 3 लेस है. अगर इधर अगर एक 3 होता तो इनका ग्रुप बनता ना, लेकिन यहाँ पर 3 है क्या? नहीं है. सो 1 3 इज लेस इन ग्रुपिंग फॉर इन प्राइम फैक्टर. प्राइम फैक्टर में एक 3 कम है, सो इसका क्यूब रूट हम नहीं निकाल सकते. सो इट इज नॉट ए परफेक्ट क्यूब. सो 243 इज नॉट ए परफेक्ट क्यूब. सो इट इज नॉट ए परफेक्ट क्यूब. सो ये परफेक्ट क्यूब नहीं है. वाई? प्राइम फैक्टर में 3 3 के ग्रुप नहीं बनते. अगर क्वेश्चन ऐसा आया, अगर क्वेश्चन ऐसा आया, बाय व्हिच स्मॉलर नंबर वी हैव टू multiply so that 243 become a perfect cube. क्वेश्चन ऐसा आता है, is 243 is a perfect cube, full stop. उसके बाद by which smaller number we have to multiply, by which smaller number we have to multiply so that 243 becomes a perfect cube. ओके, तो यहाँ पर कौन से स्मॉलर नंबर से हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तब जाके ये 243 परफेक्ट क्यूब बनेगा. वी क्लियरली अंडरस्टूड फ्रॉम प्राइम फैक्टर. अगर एक 3 से 3 से हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं इसको, स्मॉलर नंबर क्या है 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद यहाँ पर ग्रुप बनेगा, और ग्रुप बनने के बाद हम उसका प्राइम फैक्टर उसके क्यूब रूट निकाल सकते हैं, so that we can say here by 3 we have to multiply so that 2 4 3 becomes a perfect cube. क्वेश्चन आता है by which smaller number we have to multiply so that 2 4 3 become perfect cube. Answer is that smaller number is 3. तो 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद इस यहाँ पर ग्रुप बनेंगे और ये परफेक्ट क्यूब बनेगा. अंडरस्टूड? ऐसा भी क्वेश्चन आता है. ओके, तो ये लिखो, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वी हैव टू सी find the smallest number by which of the following numbers must be divided to obtain perfect cube. Okay, 128 पहला क्वेश्चन. Okay, question है find a smallest number by which of the following numbers must be divided, यहाँ पर divided है to obtain perfect cube. ओके, तो इस नंबर को हम कौन से स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे तो ये परफेक्ट क्यूब बनेगा. नाउ वी हैव टू फर्स्ट वी हैव टू सी इट्स प्राइम फैक्टर्स फर्स्ट. ओके, सो प्राइम फैक्टर्स निकालेंगे हम. 125 2 से स्टार्ट करेंगे, इवन नंबर है. 2 6 जा 12, 2 4 जा 8, 2 into 2 2 3 जा 6, 2 2 जा 4. ओके, 2 2 इन दोनों का काम हो गया. 2 into 16 हाफ हो गया उसका, ये 2 ये 2, इन तीनों का काम हो गया. 2 8 जा 16, तो 2 8 जा 16. अब इन चारों का भी काम हो गया, एज इट इज आएंगे 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 8 कैसे लिखते हैं हम, 2 4 जा 8, तो ये 5 एज इट इज आएंगे 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 एज इट इज आएंगे. 4 कैसे लिखेंगे हम, 2 into 2. तो ये प्राइम फैक्टर्स हो गए 125. नाउ वी हैव टू फॉर्म द ग्रुप ऑफ 3. 1 2, ये 2 रह गया एक्स्ट्रा. ओके, तो ये दो ग्रुप बन गए, लेकिन ये 2 एक्स्ट्रा रह गया. अगर इसको 2 से हम डिवाइड करेंगे, 2 से डिवाइड किया तो ये 2 और ये 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. 2 से डिवाइड किया तो ये 2 और ये 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, दो ग्रुप बनेंगे एंड इसका परफेक्ट क्यूब बनेगा. अंडरस्टूड? ये 2 अगर गया तो दो ग्रुप बनेंगे ना, प्राइम फैक्टर्स के दो ग्रुप बनेंगे एंड वी कैन इजीली फाइंड द क्यूब रूट ऑफ दिस 125 so that it become perfect cube. So answer is that smaller number is 2. तो 2 से हम डिवाइड करेंगे तो ये 128 परफेक्ट क्यूब बनेगा. Understood? So such type of examples you have seen or you have observed in your exercise of cubes and cube root. Okay, so go through that and solve this exercise based on the cubes and cube. Okay.